Hello everyone, and again, welcome back. So continuing on with the VertexCache, in this video Lee is going to be creating a couple of overloads for CalculateNormals and CalculateTangents, and he'll also be adding in and implementing a CalculateValues.
Right, let's start off with normals. So we'll do a public static void calculate normals, and instead of taking in just a normal, I want to take in a list or calculating a single normal for a single vertex. I want to take a list of vertices or vertices in and calculate all of them at the same time.
Okay.
So there's going to be my list. Very simply, for each vertex inverts, call that or call calculate normal on that vertex's key. So we take that. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Tangents is even harder because you have to hit Control-C and then Control-V and then rename normals to tangents. And then call calculate
out.
Yeah, see? I told you it was harder. And then call calculate tangent. Just like that. See? Look at how hard that was.
Very nice.
Now it gets harder because we need another one. This is going to be a public stat. Well, see how hard this is? Public static void calculate values. Takes in a list vertex called verts. I bet you can't guess what this is going to do. Yep, you're right. We're going to calculate normals, passing in our verts. Calculate tangents, passing in verts. Okay, all done with those three.
Oh, that's pretty simple.
Yeah, it is. Like I said, it was going to be a very, very short video. But those are just a couple of overloads, and then the calculate values, just to simplify the process of calculating both of them at the same time. Instead of having to call two different method calls, you could just call the one.
Right, for sure. So that's going to leave us with just some integration now coming up with the terrain manager and the terrain patch. And then, of course, some testing to make sure that everything is indeed working the way, well, we hope that it's working.
Yeah, I like how you say that. It's just some integration, like that simple stuff. Yeah. It's like, yeah, if we just integrate it, it'll be easy.
A little here, a little there. It's not that bad. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this short video, and we will see you guys back in the next. Thanks a lot.